We have made it to Clear Lake. Woo!
Let's go look on the dock. You can see in the water, dude.
These are blackberries?
Yeah.
Oh, how cool. How do you know?
Eagle Scout.
Oh, because he's an Eagle Scout. Okay.
He also knows everything. He's strong.
Look at these flowers. How pretty.
Sunny.
Like you can see all the way to the bottom. That's crazy.
Ooh, so pretty.
So this feed is 800 feet deep.
In the lake?
Yeah. And the center of it.
Tell us what we're doing today, Sean.
So this is round 2 of Austin Adventures. We're here at Clear Lake and just outside of Sisters, Oregon, in between Eugene. This lake's over 800 feet deep, and we fished it a couple times, got our limited trout, and if you look through the camera you can see that this lake is 50 feet deep right here, and you can just see the bottom of it, man.
It's awesome.
You can see everything from here. Those make me hungry.
What?
They're tasty.
Geese?
Yeah, they taste good.
Oh, you got some nice geese scoped in.
Oh, I know. There's some right there too, dude. If we should help.
I can see the feathers on that
It
thing.
makes you hungry, huh?
Oh my
Dude,
gosh.
look at it from right here. Which
I
one's
did.
this?
I did.
I just zoomed in
These are
perfect.
so freaking clear. You can like see everything with those binoculars. Can't you see stuff with binoculars?
So according to this map, we drove from here all the way to here.
PT had to make a left here. We weren't going to the 22, we went to the 126.
But,
Not even on the map! But we need to go to the Sahalie Falls because that's where we got married.
oh yes. So now we're currently at Sahalie Falls after we stopped by Clear Lake. And you guys will see that in just a moment here. It's the most beautiful waterfall. So here we are making our way to the waterfall. It's literally like 500 feet from the parking lot, which is very convenient for those who don't want to hike to see a waterfall. I'm pretty sure you can hear it from here, at least I can. Here it comes! The money shot. Woo! Oh yeah, Sahalie Falls, everybody. Look at that beautiful water rushing down into this green moss. It's awesome.
So we got married here about a month ago. It's one of the most
13
beautiful
months ago,
places.
yeah.
Okay. A year and a month ago would be equal to 13 months.
It's the same thing.
I'm gonna also point out the fact that when we were here, there was a guy tight roping across the falls there.
Yeah, so if you guys want to check out our wedding video, it's in our, I don't know, scroll down and just, it's called Sahalie Falls wedding video, I think. But be sure to check that out. It's so beautiful. Our videographer Caleb Schnar. Am I saying it right? He did such an amazing job, and he totally captured the essence of this place, so watch it. You guys are hot! So if you're visiting the area, there's a hike down this trail right here. And there's another waterfall to go see, but we're just gonna hang out at this one for now.
I don't know if they told you that that's where
Check that out.
they walked down in there. The trail's closed. No. That's where they got married. I know.